Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. The Sunshine Girls are back in training following government approval, and there is more joy than regret from the small group as they completed a second week of background preparation for the first time in over a year. Jerome Foster reports.
There were smiles in training, but like any other sport on the island, netball has not been spared the impact of the coronavirus pandemic, which continues to have its lingering effects on sports worldwide. The Sunshine Girls have been inactive since January 2020, when they were runners-up in a triangular series in England. Despite 12 of the country's top players being contracted in the ANZ and English leagues, Coach Connie Francis says there's enthusiasm and eagerness with the 7 locally based girls.
And I mean, the girls relish this opportunity because they can feed off each other's energy. You know, whenever the energy level drops, you know, their mate will say, pick it up, you know, let's go. Which is good, and I'm very happy for that then, because we can start to do some work on the court, our ball skills, our fitness, our running, getting those things in.
The players have been going through their paces via Zoom for the last 6 months, which resulted in challenges. But Francis stressed its importance to the sport.
It just takes a little time to get used to. And in netball, we have to be able to make adjustment as the situation goes on. And I thought that these girls did this really well. We know that we were disappointed. Our tour was cancelled. But at the end of the day, England didn't get to play us, we didn't get to play them.
For attacker Shanice Beckford, there is no indication that the players will lose their touch despite the layoff.
It relates to our skills. I think most of us are naturally netballers, so it's just to get back out there and just do what we do necessary and just get back into form. I don't think it really affects us, but you know, being away from the court, we lack like court speed, but getting back out there will help us to regain that and moving forward.
The squad was moments away from boarding a flight to England in December before a travel ban on the UK imposed by the government of Jamaica sent that plan packing. But there's no need talking about the past, according to Francis.
Yes, we do talk about it, but I can tell you that, you know, the old time saying is water and crabs back. We are just putting ourselves into shape so that when we get the opportunity, hopefully, South Africa and Trinidad come to our shore, that we will be totally ready. Yeah.
Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.